Staking is the process of actively participating in transaction validation, which is similar to mining on a proof-of-stake blockchain. On these blockchains, anyone with a minimum required balance of a specific cryptocurrency can validate transactions and earn staking rewards. So today we will see how you can stake Ethereum and where top earn amazing rewards. But before that, welcome back to your own channel Down to Crypto, where you will get all the crypto knowledge required. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ethereum staking, which basically is Ethereum 2.0, staked ETH. And the question comes is how to stake Ethereum. Staking on Ethereum can be done in a variety of ways. Custodial staking systems handle the complete staking process on your behalf. You simply deposit Ether, and they will set up the node for you. They also run and manage the node for you, so you don't have to. The fundamental distinction between Solo and other staking platforms is that you do not control the validator node's private key. The staking provider is in charge of and manages your assets. They take a cut of your rewards in exchange for their services. Staking on the new Ethereum network requires setting up a staking node using Ethereum 1.0 and Ethereum 2.0 clients. Ethereum clients are simply applications that allow nodes to communicate with the Ethereum network. So, what do they actually have to do? Users will need a computer with enough memory space to download both Ethereum blockchains, the old and new, as a minimum requirement. Ethereum 1.0 already has roughly 900 terabytes of data and is growing at a rate of about 1 gigabyte each day. Validators must also keep their nodes connected to the blockchain at all times. As a result, a good internet connection is a must-have. After you've installed the validator software on your computer, you'll need to send at least 32 ETH to the Ethereum staking contract address. To do so, you'll need to generate two keys, one for signing and validating transaction blocks and another for withdrawing your cash. However, until ETH 1.0 and ETH 2.0 merge in 2022, you won't be able to create your withdrawal key. Before sending money to the staking contract address, you must first go to the ETH 2.0 launchpad and follow the procedures. This payment verifies your eligibility to be a validator. It also provides the network with a method to punish rogue validators that purposefully or unintentionally undermine the Ethereum blockchain's authenticity. When the blockchain detects inconsistencies in validator activity, it will slash the culprit's staked funds. When an Ethereum 2.0 validator intentionally defies network rules and gets removed, this is referred to as slashing. As a penalty, a portion of their staked ETH is taken away, and in some situations, the entire staked sum of 32 ETH is withdrawn. Offline validator nodes are also penalized for encouraging them to stay connected to the network. Every 6.5 minutes or epoch, the protocol issues both penalties and incentives. Now for staking Ethereum, you obviously need a platform where you can stake Ethereum. So, let's see 5 of the best platforms where you can stake Ethereum. Number 1. Binance. Number 2. Coinbase. Number 3. Kraken. Number 4. Bitfinex. Number 5. Lido. Now you know the platforms and the drill. A common question that comes in our minds is, for how long do we have to stake our Ethereum for profit? Answering this, the Ethereum 2.0 network imposes an activation period on new validator nodes, which may cause a delay in distributing ETH staking rewards. To ensure staking rewards are distributed fairly, newly staked ETH will undergo up to a 20-day bonding period before it will start earning ETH2 rewards. After the bonding period has elapsed, staking rewards will begin to accrue. So what are the rewards that we get after waiting this much? As an incentive for helping to safeguard the network, you can earn up to 5% APRA on each ETH you stake on platforms like Coinbase. Staking payouts for ETH2 are calculated based on how much ETH is validating and what rewards the network is paying over time. When a small quantity of ETH is staked, the protocol payments increase, encouraging users to stake more ETH. However, the reward is reduced when a substantial amount of ETH has been staked previously. Hope you liked this video on staking Ethereum. In case of any doubts, please ask your questions in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to the channel for more such amazing videos. Peace out.